The Blink Mini camera blinking green can be caused by several factors, including an internet outage, the Blink Mini servers being down, or a weak Wi-Fi signal to the camera. To resolve this issue, first try launching the Blink Mini app on your phone and attempt to log in using your credentials. If the system doesn't let you in, it's likely that the servers are down, and you'll need to wait until they're back online. Moving the Blink Mini camera closer to the Wi-Fi router can also help boost the signal, or you can consider replacing the router with a more powerful one. Additionally, try reconnecting the camera to the internet and check your phone's internet connection by searching something on your web browser while connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the camera. If you're unable to connect, it may indicate an internet outage, in which case rebooting your Wi-Fi router can help restore the connection. If the problem persists, it's best to contact your internet service provider to diagnose and resolve the issue. By trying these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the problem causing your Blink Mini camera to blink green.